With strong gusty winds in the forecast this week, trees or branches may come crashing down. Imagine your neighbor's tree falls on your property, or your tree on theirs. Who's responsible if the fallen tree causes serious damage? In most states, if your tree or any part of it falls on your neighbor's property and causes damage to their property through no fault of your own, but due to a high wind storm or so-called act of God, you're not responsible. Your neighbors are going to have to file a claim through their own property insurer if they want to be reimbursed for their loss. But what happens if your neighbor's tree hits your house? Are they responsible? If your neighbor's tree fell on your house, then your homeowner's insurance policy pays the damage and removal of the fallen tree. Insurers will typically pay any amount to remove the tree from covered property, but they limit you to $500 to $1,000 on tree debris removal once it's on the ground, no matter how many trees may fall. Depending on your policy, you may not even be entitled to any tree debris removal. Now, have you been worrying about your neighbor's tree hitting your house for a while now? Is that old rotted oak towering over your house giving you nightmares? Why should it be your homeowner's insurance and a claim on your policy that covers your neighbor's negligence? Well, here's a tip. If you send your neighbors a certified letter explaining your concerns, you've now documented their negligence and potential liability. If you can show their insurer that you gave them ample warning about the tree's potential to fall, their insurance will cover the damages and you won't need to file a claim through your own homeowner's insurance. I'm Michael Breton, and I want you to become the better homeowner